Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills Rituraj Rawi Ulaong bagi lapan ke jingyarap jongki khatpra telikin hun jongka CAPF bat ke State Armed Police na kebenta ban pahara ha kebayade bat kene ke Lok Sabha election ke ban salong ha khat kendai tarik uyayong ulai tu bayakine ki polis pahara la de ban penbiang bat ula benrap ban kaliang ki pulit ke jela kila stang ya ke jingya talasi bat jinglik kinra ha ki babon ki kebayade bat kene ke jing penkre ban pelong ni ke election.
So first step that election has been announced and MCC Model Code of Conduct has come into force. Keeping that in our mind and following ECI instructions, FST and SST teams have already been constituted and they are on job. That is one thing. Another is that we are conducting round the clock Naka checking, vice raids and maintaining proper and high level of vigil all across the city and all across the district. Third thing that we have requested the government to provide us with additional 11 companies of CAPF and 7 companies of SAP, that is State Armed Police. So total 18 companies of additional force we had projected. Out of that, 3 companies we have already received. That is 2 companies of CRPF, which was already being used in law and order duties, has now been converted to election duties, and 1 company of BSF we have received. So all these 3 companies are already deployed.